I have a model from Sketchfab which I have modified a little. I'd like 2 yellow lights and 1 shadow in the center of the pole. If you are on version 2021 or above, for GTA materials to work, set to Max Legacy and restart 3ds Max. Create an Omnilight and position it at one of the lanterns. Create a clone and change the position to the opposite. Make a third copy and align to the center. This will be used for the shadow. Link the lights to the model. With the 2 main lights selected, start configuring the 2 DFX properties. Set the color to a golden yellow. Set the size to 0.5, though this setting does depend on the scale of your model. In my case, the model is scaled down to a height of 4 meters. Set light range to 4. This will reduce the range of the dynamic lighting on PEDs and vehicles. Set shadow size to 0. Set flags 1 to night. Set to selected lights and then select the light in the center. Set corona size and light range to 0 as we only want it to create shadows. Set shadow size to 4. Increase the shadow distance if the shadow doesn't show in-game. Set to selected lights and export the DFF.